Yo, what's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to make your car door panels look like to that. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is take out these door, I think they just hold in the door actual panel themselves. It's a T20. That's what I'm going to be using to take that, and I'll let you guys know when I got this off and what's under it. Alright, so after you take out those screws, you just take out this door handle trim. It just slides off like that, and you see the type of clips it has. Pretty easy, and I believe this should just slide up and the entire panel, and you can take them out pretty easily. And another tip you might want to do if you want to keep these switches intact and everything is to pop it out. It's kind of hard to get it out, but once it's out, it's pretty easy. And then just undo this clip, then you should have this motor switch for the mirrors. Alright guys, the door panel is out. I had to just unclip these speaker wires, and that was it really. It came up pretty easily. Now I think we're just going to test fit to make sure that the aftermarket door panel fits on well. Alright guys, we got the speakers out. They're all intact and everything, and now I think we can either test fit it to make sure it's fitting okay, or we can work on the other side. I'll probably just test fit it, make sure everything's working okay. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like once you have everything out. We have to take off that screw right there, and after that we can start actually placing it and where we should be able to drill holes and stuff like that. So we got these the door handle off, and it was pretty easy. All you have to do is just unhook it unscrew one screw there, and then this metal piece just hooks into that. Pretty self-explanatory, and then this pulls away. And with the directions, it says we have to drill into the handle housing. Alright guys, so at this point we have to drill into the door handle itself. We just drill right behind the door handle, right there. So it shouldn't be that hard. Alright, so we drilled the hole. It's right there, right behind the door handle like it said. So you can't see it. Alright, and now we just use the bigger size bit to drill, just make this a little larger, I guess. Alright guys, so now we're just going to use these spacers that they provide and put one behind the original scroll door hole and this one. Alright, so we got the door handle on. It's like sticky almost. I don't know what that's about, but it was doing that a little bit before, so not a big deal. But now that we got that installed, we can test fit the aluminum panel. Alright guys, so at this point I made sure everything fit well, and it is. So I'm just going to drill the holes for the actual like pull cord, so you can open up the door and everything. And then after that we can install the pull cords and install the door. Alright guys, so I installed the pull cord. It's on there pretty securely, and now we just got to rewire the stuff, put it back to where it was, and start drilling holes into it and lining it all up and everything. Alright guys, so we're almost done. I just have to do one more screw, then after that we'll be done, and that'll be the install. Alright guys, and there's the final product. Looks really good. Still functions the same and everything, and all works well. I'm happy with it actually. Looks very good. Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.